Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix negative PayPal balance using your iOS device. A negative PayPal balance means you owe money to PayPal. This can happen for a few reasons, such as making a purchase that exceeds the fund available in your PayPal account or linked bank account. Someone is sending you money that they later recall, or a recurring payment being declined due to insufficient funds. No matter whatever the reasons are, here are some resolving techniques you can follow to resolve the negative balance. First of all, go through your app drawer and open up the PayPal application. Once you launch the app on your device, log in if necessary by entering your login credentials. If the current balance on your app's home screen is displayed as a negative amount, then look for an option like Resolve Negative Balance or Clear Your Balance. The option might be available in the main balance screen or under an account or activities section. If the problem still continues even after trying to resolve the negative balance, the next thing you'd want to do is to choose the payment method you want to use to add funds and bring your balance to zero. Go ahead and link to a bank account or a credit or debit card by selecting whether banks or debit cards or credit cards option. Enter your payment information correct, such as the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, and finally click on Link Card. Once you've added a payment method, enter the amount you need to transfer to cover the negative balance. If the problem still persists, then consider force closing the PayPal application. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and make this app switcher visible on your screen. Push upwards for the app card and release in order to force close the app. Now press and hold the PayPal app and tap on Remove App. Tap on the Delete button twice in order to delete the application from your device. Once you've deleted PayPal application, re-download it again on your device, and this time it might help you fix your negative balance issue. So those were some of the fixes you could follow if you are going through negative balance issue on your PayPal application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.